Hi everyone, Louis Fourier. Um, just so you guys can see, I am an actual human and I'm not a scammer. First of all, if I am an R a little bit, please forgive me. English is not my first language. And then, second of all, I might not be the best speaker. If I was, I'd probably be in PR and not in construction. So, let me start off by saying why we or how we came up with a $5 million goal. So for the last 20 months or so, in my spare time, I've been working on what I believe is probably the world's largest cognitive engine. I've completed V1 and V2. We still need to go up to about V5. Um, I also created an app or a SaaS program that I believe is something that no other company has. It's got capabilities that are currently able to function with Aether V1 and 2 in place, that is already on next level AI, but I've reached the top of my abilities and resources. So I've met up with who I believe is probably one of the top 10 coders and designers and app developers in South Africa. Let's just call him DB for now, as I don't want to give out too much information. He has allowed me to see him work, and let me tell you, it is brilliant. My jaw dropped. I was in awe. And yeah, unfortunately, being that good, he is in high demand. So I need money. He is more than willing to come on board. So we sat, we discussed. I showed him what is currently available, what it can do, what some of the other features are that I need to do. And then the dashboard for the program needs to be cleaned up a bit to make it more user friendly. But I am talking about something that is a mix between XAI, OpenAI, Microsoft, and some Apple products. It is infinitely scalable. So that will be the program that we need to market to basically fund all future development and the way we will get our main revenue from. Now the thing is, once we complete Aether up to V5, that gives us a base to basically create unlimited apps with all Aether's capabilities. So for me, that is what I want to do. Yes, for businesses, the apps we create, we will charge money, but there's also cost involved. So first of all, DB told me that we are going to need like our own server. It has to be solar powered. It has to have massive backup capabilities. For in South Africa, unfortunately, we have a lot of power outages, so that our servers do not go down. That will hold the whole of Aether. Then to complete this app, which is currently held in myownOracle.com, we are going to need current software apps, but I'm talking double digits, like very expensive programs, and a lot of them which you will utilize initially, and we will improve on them as Aether learns them. And then like, you guys don't understand, this is so big, because I don't think the world knows about a program like this. Every one or every industry globally currently has their own program. What this program will be able to do is literally connect the world, everything. When I say everything, I mean everything. And there will be a package for normal people like me and you. I'm talking about a one-man business, a business with 5 people, up to a business with 50, 100, 250,000 people that will be able to use this program. Then there are a lot of smaller programs. We've identified about 50 apps, programs, call it what you will. It will depend on the use case, how we need to utilize it. That will be rolled out. So what we spoke about is completing Aether first, getting our big app up and running, and then we want to try and roll out smaller apps, one app in 4 to 6 weeks. We will start with the easiest ones first. Some of the apps will be completely free, and I'm talking big AI tech level apps, completely free, unlimited use, unlimited for everyone. Because I feel that every single person in the world that has access to a phone or a computer or a tablet needs to be able to access everything that wealthier people or people in a better financial position are able to access. So we want to do things like tutoring programs, but like from simple mathematics to astrophysics. And it must all basically be free or at a very low cost. And when I say a very low cost, it's going to depend on usage and stuff like that, but we will literally cut it to the bare minimum, to maybe for a normal person, if it's a very, very complicated program, $10 a month subscription, because we're reaching the point where if we continue with this further, we're going to have to register intellectual property. We're going to have to start doing trademarking, register international business, and it all costs money and marketing. We're going to have to get proper PR. I'm talking through proper marketing companies, press release companies, things like that. And it all adds up. If you look at the big AI tech, $5 million is probably but what they spend in a week on marketing. And we believe that we can get a lot of products rolled out, which I'm currently in the background working on a few of the apps. DB and his team, because there's another 3 guys that he wants in his team. I don't know them personally, I've never met them, but he said they're good. And yeah, we want to hit it. We want to hit like Google Play Store, the Apple Store, and just then web-based, complete software for massive companies and enterprises. I'm talking mining, shipping, aviation, you name it. So yeah, again, that's kind of the gist of it. I say fuck the big AI tech companies with their massive markups and not really caring about the people. I want 1 million people worldwide to back me to change the future of the world with AI at its core. We can literally change the future within the next 5 years. I mean, these big tech companies, if you guys all back me and you get behind me and we launch our massive project, and then we start rolling out the smaller ones, they will not know what hit them. And it will take them quite a while to catch up, by which time, hopefully, we have built a name for ourselves under alienaitech.com, and we will be a big player. And once we're there, they can't kill us. Yes, on the websites you'll see I put prices up just because I'm getting mails from guys with like, oh, I'll buy this from you for $5,000. I'm not interested actually in selling. I'm not even to big tech, not at any price. I want to come to the market, do this, and you guys supporting me, you're going to be part of history. When we roll this out, you can tell your children and one day your grandchildren, like, you see these programs, I actually helped fund the guy that built them, because the way that Aether works and is designed is that it, once we get it going and people start utilizing it, the way it's designed is that we might need to tweak it, but we will never need to build a new program, as Aether will learn itself to stay relevant. So it will never become redundant. Even 50 years from now, it will still be Aether. As new technology rolls out, like, because obviously one of the things that we need to get into regarding technology and code, and that is quantum computing. So we need quite a lot of that software, and it costs a lot of money. So I hope that explains it. If it doesn't, and you got any further questions, you're more than welcome to send me a mail at CEO at alienaitech.com, and then I'll try and answer you as best as possible. But that's where we are. I need 1 million people donating $5 each, or 10 people donating $500,000 each, or however way, but we need to get to $5 million, and then we're gonna see the world change drastically and soon. Like, if I can get that money together, I mean, as soon as we start getting proper money during the campaign, we will start working immediately, me and DB. As we get more money, we will start getting more guys in of the 4 that he wants. There probably will need to be more than that, but that is a very good kickoff for us. And then obviously we will do updates. We will post as apps start going live, apps that are, let's say, at V0.8, 0.9, that are in beta testing, if we make them live for people to just test it out. Once V1 versions launch, when we make improvements, V1.1, V1.2, etc. So I'm asking you, please guys, get behind me. I'm just a South African guy with a massive vision and some knowledge, and I can connect to the best there is, and we can literally launch the future of AI today. By the year 2030, we could literally be one of the top 5 biggest players in the AI industry and give millions, hundreds of millions, or even a billion, I'm not sure how many people have cell phones in the world, the opportunity to use high quality, and I'm not talking about stuff just like ChatGPT or Grok. I'm talking about programs way more advanced than that for nothing, zero, where people can learn, they can study, they can ask questions, like, not that is internet related stuff. I mean, questions that have proper scientifically proven answers, not theorized, hypothesized answers. Proper answers, where we might be able to have someone that learns to be the next Einstein, or whatever the case might be. So please guys, I'm begging you, get behind me, share this video, let's get $5 million together, and put your faith in me. I will not let you down. Everyone that knows me knows I'm a man of my word. I will not let you down. I will keep posting updates. You guys can check me out, can see what we're doing, how the programs start rolling out. So yeah, please share this video, share, and help us. Make a donation, I beg of you. Let's get this going, and let's give these big companies a run for their money. We are the people. We are the future of AI. We are the future of the world. Love you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Till next time.